I'm your admin, Laura, and today I'm going to show you how to use a baby katan. So you're going to take your 2 loops, put them together, and drape it on like a necklace. You're going to stick your arm 1 through each loop. Then I like to straighten the loops a little so they're not twisted. Now you take your top loop and pull it down to your waist. And then I'm going to grab the baby. Grab baby, put baby up on your shoulder in the burping position. And you'll tuck baby's feet in, or bottom in. Get baby nice and centered. Pull fabric knee to knee, keeping one hand on at all times, or your arm, so that way baby doesn't fall out. Pull up your second loop. Or just pull on the same shoulder. Pull it up on the other shoulder. And spread knee to knee, making sure the first loop is still knee to knee. You can untwist on your shoulders. Grab and twist again. Take this loop and pull it down. Okay, if this is hanging, it's not quite as secure. You can pull this. You can kind of cap your shoulders with it to pull it out of the way a little bit, so it's not sliding off your shoulder. And then you need your last pass, because stretchy wraps need 3 passes. And so you'll take this and wrap it around you. You can tie in the back in a double knot or bring it to the front and tie in a double knot there as well if you have enough room. There you have it.